Today I'll be mainly using the Juvia's Place Tribe palette to create this bold dark green smoky eye. Like most smoky eyes, it's a very simple look, so let's just jump into it. After priming and setting the eye, I'm first going over the entire lid with a black eyeliner to serve as a base for the eyeshadow. Using a black base will put more emphasis on the color of the reflect when working with metallic or duochrome eyeshadows. I'm using my finger to soften the edges, preventing any harsh lines later on. Next, I'm packing Sun, a dark matte forest green, into the crease. I actually think this looks really cool with just the black and green, but that's not what we're doing today. I'm using Ashanti to transition the green into my natural skin tone. This matte olive brown is a little too dark for a transition shade though, so I'm using a very light hand. I wish that this palette had a nice, light, cool tone transition shade to pair with this cool green, but it doesn't. So I'm going to need a little help from this matte white to highlight the brow bone, as well as soften that transition a bit. Finally, the star of the show. I'm packing Kuba on top of the black base. This shade is a blackened metallic forest green. Oddly enough, our black base is actually making this shade appear less black, instead showcasing the green reflect. Blend the shimmer shade into the crease, going back in with Sun if needed. Next, I'm sweeping Ashanti all over the lower lash line, again using a gentle hand with very little product to keep it light.
The fact that you and I are working here today.
Concentrating on the base of your lashes, pack Kuba onto the lower lash line. You can see here what a difference that black base makes. This shade is appearing much less bright and shiny without it. Blend the green into the brown. Optionally, you can line the waterline with a dark green eyeliner. Next, I'm highlighting the inner corner with Koro, a metallic gold with an iridescent green reflect. And that's it. Finish off the look with your lashes and you're done. This is how it looks with just mascara, which is usually all I use. But I just got these huge falsies on sale and wanted to try them out. What do you think, with or without? I've actually done a very similar navy blue smoky eye, which you should check out if you like this look. I post new tutorials every Friday, so please subscribe if you want to see more. You can follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, or Pinterest, where I post sneak peeks and updates. Thanks for watching! You can find a product list in the description box below.